This is Jess Haywood, and I'm going to show you how to check students into your events using the new HawkNest mobile app on your phone or tablet. As we launch this new app, it's going to take a little bit of time to teach all of our students how to easily check into events. We would appreciate your help in helping to teach other people how to do this. The first thing that students need to do to check into an event is download and open the HawkNest app. Then you can direct them to the More screen that's in the bottom right-hand corner, and you'll see our menu here. They need to look under the Engage section and click on ID card. Each person has a unique ID card that lists their name and a QR code that can be scanned by event organizers to check them into an event. This is really the only thing that the ID card is used for, so you can let people know when they're coming to an event to have that ID card ready when they get up to the check-in table. As a student who is putting on an event and needs to check people in, what you will do is first find your event. You can scroll or you can use the search option. And once you click on your event, you should see check-in attendees if you have the ability to manage that event. So you will check in attendees, and you'll see a list of people who are already registered for that event. You can check people in by typing in their name and checking them in that way, but the easiest way that we have now is with the app. So what you will do is find the QR code button on the upper right-hand corner and click that to open the QR code scanner. With the QR code scanner, you will just take a look at someone's card, and you can see how easily it scanned me into this event. That's all you have to do is hold the QR code scanner over the ID card, and that person will be checked in. As you can see now on the attendance, it shows Jessica Haywood as checked in. Keep in mind, checking in attendees for simple events, such as events that do not have any kind of high risk or travel or assumption of risk form involved. This is the quickest and fastest way to do it. For other events that do have more risk or that people have to fill out paperwork like an assumption of risk, there's a different way for them to check in. If you do have one of those higher risk events, what you should do is you should go to the website on HawkNest, click on Manage Your Event, check in attendees, and print out the QR code that allows students to scan the QR code when they come up. When students scan the QR code, it will be much easier through the app. So, for example, I have a QR code here ready. If a student sees a QR code, what you can tell them to do is go to the More button on the bottom right-hand menu, and there is a QR code scanner right inside the app. This QR code scanner has a benefit of being within the app, and so when they scan the QR code, it should go straight to the event and allow them to register. They would click on Register, and because this event has an assumption of risk form, it will ask me to fill out that waiver before I can register. It's important that these events with assumption of risk forms are done with a printed QR code so people can do the assumption of risk on their own phone. Let me show you how the app differs from scanning it online. So if you open it in the app, you're already logged into the app and you don't have to do any two-factor authentication. If students use their own camera from their phone to log in via the QR code, they will be taken to log into HawkNest's website instead of the app, and they will be asked to do two-factor authentication through the SOU sign-on process. This takes a while, so it's much faster to encourage people to download the app so they can use the QR code scanner within the app and quickly get to the event to check in. If you have any other questions about checking students into events using the HawkNest app, you can reach out to us. We're in the Belonging and Engagement office, and our email is belong@sou.edu.